In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your scheduling page on WordPress. By the end, you'll have your booking link visible right on your site, so visitors can schedule with you without leaving the page. First, look to the left side of your scheduling tools dashboard and click on the scheduling page. This is where all of your public booking options live. If you manage multiple calendars, make sure you're selecting the specific scheduling page you want people to use on your website. Next, click on the link associated with that scheduling page. Depending on your platform, this may open a details panel or highlight the shareable link. The goal here is simply to access the sharing options for that page so you can embed it elsewhere. Now go to the option labeled Embed Other or Embed on Other Sites. This is the area designed for placing your scheduling page into websites that aren't the same platform, like WordPress. You might see a few choices here, such as inline embeds, pop-up widgets, or buttons. But since we're following a simple link-based approach, focus on the link provided for embedding. Copy the link you see in that Embed Other area. Make sure you grab the full URL and double-check there are no extra spaces before or after it. If the platform also shows a code snippet, that's fine, but for this workflow, you only need the direct link. After that, go to your WordPress website. Sign into your site's dashboard, then open the page or post where you want the scheduling option to appear. If you're using the block editor, you can paste the link right into a paragraph block or a custom block where you want the scheduler to show. Simply place your cursor in the content area and paste the link. Once the link is pasted, WordPress will typically recognize supported scheduling links and display them nicely on the page. If you see only a raw URL, that's okay. Some themes preview embeds only after saving or viewing the page. Give it a moment and consider previewing the page in a new tab to confirm it looks the way you want. That's it. You went to your scheduling page, clicked the link, opened the Embed Other option, copied the link, went to your WordPress website, and pasted it into your page. If the embed doesn't show right away, verify you copied the correct link from the embed section and try refreshing your editor preview. With that done, your visitors can book directly from your site, keeping the process smooth and professional.